I got a couple of my mounting locations set up. And welded them onto the edge. I'm going down here. Let's see. It's installed on top of the box. The control board, power supply board is installed. Air is plumbed, high voltage, low voltage. Everything seems to be working. I got my table set up here. Basically just these arms that come up and down based on whether or not I want it there or not. It's pretty sturdy actually. Plasma torch holder. It'll be something really long like this guy here. I'm going to weld a nut to this, put the spacer on, and then this guy's going to go flip right on top so it's free to spin, hold the plasma torch exactly where it needs to be, and all is well. On the mast here, I'm going to drill a hole at the top of it and put just a simple zip tie through it. It makes it easy to just hold the plasma wire from up top and then let it dangle down. Still pretty crude.